welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make Chapman. Well, not technically how I make it, but how I prepare it. So this drink is a drink I really loved when growing up in Nigeria years ago, but it hasn't been readily available in this country. I haven't really seen it a lot. So I was so pleased when my daughter got a box for PR, and yeah, I asked her if I can have some. And this is how I prepare mine. I know some people like to drink it just the way it is, but this is how we used to drink it back in the day, and that's how I'm doing it now. So I'm adding some cucumber and some lemon, and then I'm gonna add some ice. And yeah, it's a really lovely drink. Guys, if you taste it, you will really like it. It's a fruit punch, it's non-alcoholic, and I really do love this drink. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you try it. Have a lovely Christmas.